to introduce a new product of our company. 2022 Powerwall 5 kWh lithium-ion phosphate battery. After upgrading, it has entered version 2.0. It can provide backup power supply for your house. Installed at home, it also brings what's your enjoyment like ice. Wall-mounted installation, it also saves space and looks great. The battery internal composed of 16 prismatic 100 ampere-hour cells and built-in intelligent BMS. The BMS with communication function, so it can communicate with the inverter. The communication ports such as ICE485, ICE232, CAN, and so on. The battery supports collection in parallel, so you can obtain 10 kWh, 20 kWh, 16 kWh battery system, and the inverter also supports collection in parallel. Both the battery and the inverter has LCD display function, so you can take information in real time, such as voltage, capacity, SOC status, and also you can take the information through your cell phone. As the lead-acid replaced battery, the lithium-ion phosphate battery has ultra long life and great advantages in weight and volume, and it's also environment-friendly battery. So it obtains warm response from the market. So it is very I'm zero. Thank you.